Good morning, everyone. It's around 12 now, so should be good afternoon. Just waiting for some time to people to join in. Sunday afternoon, another Sunday, another biryani. Okay, so we have people joining in. And thanks to all of you who are doing the watch party.
How many did we reach last time?
Last time we reached somewhere around 8,000 people, which is a good number. And a lot of them have tried that biryani and appreciated it. Thank you for your appreciation. So as usual, we are trying to go back to the roots, try to explore something which is exotic yet very traditional, very original, and has got all the scientific significance along with the traditions. So this is something which is completely different game, completely altogether. So we have some more people joining in. Oh, hi Ragini. Hi Nina. Yes, Neelandra is ready to cook with us. Good. Chalo. So I'll just run through ingredients, something which you need to start doing it. So we are with our home cameraman Amruta.
Camera woman, proudly.
Yeah, camera woman. So what you need to do is, those who are making, just soak some of the cardamom, ilaichi, and along with some mace. So थोड्या वेलच्या, अराउंड एक 10-12 वेलच्या आणि जायवत्री पाण्यामध्ये भिजवून ठेवायची आपल्याला एक 10-15 मिनिटासाठी. काय जास्त वेळ भिजवायची नाहीये.
सो शेफ, काही लोक अजून येत आहेत तोपर्यंत आज ही बिर्याणी निवडण्याचं काही खास कारण?
See, today what we are making, now I'll start actual session. So today what we are making is the Mahmoodabadi Kachi Gosht ki biryani or the Mahmoodabadi Kachi biryani. So this Mahmoodabad state established in 16th century after Mughal. Okay, when the Mughal dynasty ended, thereafter 12 provinces were created, and out of which this Mahmoodabad province was created, which is situated around 50 kilometers from the Lucknow. And this is something which has got a very unique, even today, the royal dynasty is present, palace is still in a good condition, and they still hold all their roots, all their culture, all their cooking preparation, all their, I would say, diversity of their culture still alive. But one, I would say, a strange thing, because they are very conservative about their cooking, and they are very, what I would say, is insecure about their recipes. And because of that, the great chef, which was a royal dynasty chef, the name is Mr. Hazari, and this guy has created one recipe which is now lost, is Kata Gali Machli. Okay, the name is Kata Gali Machli. So basically a fish like a sole, a river fish, he cooked in a way where bones of the fish started tasting like a biscuit. So now you can eat them like a biscuit along with the fish, and the meat still is juicy and soft. But that recipe is lost. Now even his descendant is not in a position to identify that recipe. So in the same family this recipe comes from. So the beauty of this recipe is, in all the biryanis, whatever we taste across the country, we always find base of the biryani, or we talk about any biryani, this always begin with the onion, ginger garlic, curd and stuff like that. So there is no biryani in the country which doesn't have onion, ginger garlic or something like that. But this is the only biryani which doesn't have onion, it doesn't have ginger garlic, and it doesn't have what I would say the real base of the biryani. Still this biryani is very tasty, very flavorful, but this is expensive. So this is a royalty. This is a real royalty. And this biryani has got the real essence and the real flavors, what is been required by the Nawabs, or what is been required even at the today's age, even at the today's world. Because all the ingredients used in this biryani, some of them are aphrodisiac, some of them are vitality booster, some of them are very rich in taste, rich in flavor. So all these factors, along with that, they have curated this recipe in a such a way where you will not miss the fact that okay, there is no onion, so there is no sweetness of the onion, there is no fieriness of the ginger garlic paste, or there is no pungent taste. So how to get over all this, meat flavor or the meaty taste of the chicken or the mutton? But then they have curated this recipe in a such a way. Right now, we don't have the recipe. Okay, nobody knows that recipe. There is only one person who is the royal cook. Okay, that royal cook only knows this recipe. So, other than that, there is nobody in this country who knows that recipe. Okay? So, there is only one person left in this entire planet who knows this recipe. I was working on that recipe for so long now. So, in bits of pieces, I have tried to crack that recipe, and then we are here to cook up that recipe. So, let's try and crack this recipe and see to it how we can get closer to the original recipe. See, there is a one ingredient which I have not mentioned in the list, but I was very sure that ingredient will not be available. It is meetha ittar. So if you have meetha ittar with you, the biryani ittar, you can use that. But
Okay.
if you don't have it, it's fine.
Abhidya Das is asking, we could not get Kevra water anywhere. Any alternative?
No, there is no alternative to Kevra water.
We'll be preparing with you, she's saying. So
Yeah.
Kevra water nahi hai to chalega?
It's okay.
I mean, next time post lockdown, we will buy Kevra water and again make it then.
Yes.
Huh?
The Kevra water makes a huge difference.
Okay.
Meetha ittar also makes the huge difference.
Okay.
Again, we'll be using some saffron or maybe some color today. Generally, I don't use any color, but since this biryani recipe demands for it, so I'm using it. Apart from that, there is no reason of using that color.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do now is, we'll begin with the recipe. We have a chicken.
सो केवरा वॉटर ज्यांच्याकडे नाहीये त्यांनी ते जर फक्त स्किप करून टाकावं, राईट?
हा, म्हणजे जर नसेल तर इट्स ओके, यू कॅन जस्ट स्किप दॅट केवडा वॉटर स्टेप. यू कॅन यूज रोज वॉटर rather than केवडा वॉटर.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate chicken first. At the same time, for marination, what we'll be requiring is the roasted almond powder.
Roasted almond powder.
So for
Okay,
that-
here comes that first royal ingredient.
Here comes the first royal ingredient. So I have taken around 50 grams of almonds.
Okay.
Okay, which I am going to roast now. We are going to toast the almond.
Okay.
We need to toast the almond.
अच्छा, म्हणजे कांद्याचा गोडवा ह्या आल्मंडनी येणार आहे असं काय आहे का?
आल्मंडनी रिचनेस येणार आहे, आल्मंडनी बॉडी मिळणार आहे, आल्मंडनी थिकनेस येणार आहे.
ओके.
जनरली nuts, whatever nuts we use nuts for thickening.
Okay.
We use nuts for giving the richness to the gravy. That's how the nuts is being used. But here I'm showing you another way of using spices.
ओके.
Okay, which is soak spices. So
Soak.
soaking the spices is another way of, see what we do generally. We either roast them and then we grind them.
Yes.
Or else straight away we'll just use them as a whole spices, or we grind them in a powder. But here we are going to make puree out of spices.
Okay, so this
Okay,
is
so
another
this is
very
again- this
different.
is again a very different thing, which you must have not tried before.
I know.
Pureeing spices.
Pureeing
spices
spices.
gives you the more extract, more subtle taste of the spice, and more refiner version of the spice. Here we are also using spice as a body of the biryani.
ओके. शेफ, सॉरी आय एम डिस्टर्बिंग यू.
Yeah.
ते मागचं जरा पिशवी काढू शकाल का आपल्या ड्रायफिशची? कारण ते तुम्हाला
Okay.
बॅकग्राऊंड मला चांगलं देत नाही.
Okay.
सो CKP घरांमध्ये आता साठवण चालू झालेली आहे.
Yeah. So I'm just toasting it. Make sure you're toasting it well.
ओके.
Just toast it very well. So this
Okay.
is what they call is the bhune hue badam ka burada.
भुने हुए बदाम का बुरादा. बुरादा म्हणजे
Burada is powder.
पावडर. ओके.
Okay, burada is supposed to be the powder.
पावडर. ओके. ओके.
So we are going to make few paste.
So this chicken is for a it's what is the quantity? म्हणजे 50 ग्राम.
See, I've taken around 50 to 100 grams of almond. You all can see around 20-25 almonds are I'm
Yes,
roasting.
yes.
I've taken 1 kg chicken,
Okay.
okay, which is the standard quantity what we generally use. I've soaked around 700 grams of basmati rice. That's what we do generally.
Yes.
So now everybody knows that, okay.
Chef has asked for 700 grams of
Yeah,
basmati rice and that too soaked.
And now everybody knows that Sunday morning once they get up, what they need to do is before making biryani, they have to soak the rice.
Yeah,
They have
I
to
know.
soak the rice a good maybe in 30 minutes also.
Yeah.
So that's what we do. Right?
So I'm sure all the females are very happy about the fact that you show biryanis because it's a one pot meal and really.
It's all the purpose of the Sunday. And see, tying up different biryanis and understanding different cultures, understanding different diversity of our country is again a different experience altogether. See, everyday cooking we are doing it. We have understood over the period of time from our, grandparents, our mother, our family members, then our society people that okay, this is to be done this way, this is to be done that way. But then there is something which was beyond that. Okay, so whatever cooking we do generally, it is roughly a 50-70-year-old cooking, or maybe not more than 100-year-old cooking. But then there was something which was beyond that.
Wow.
Okay.
So I think lockdown we are really enjoying this aspect, that we are doing something which is way different, understanding the the raw material used by different regions of India, their cultures, their reasons of using it. आणि बिर्याणी आधी एकच प्रकारची माहिती होती. आता मला असं वाटतं सगळीच लोक they have enjoyed.
That much even we don't have in a year. That much Sunday, the amount of biryani exists in the country.
Seriously, how many can we make then?
See, what I have found out over my study is near about 370 biryanis are available in the country.
Wow.
Okay, but out of which only 20-25 are the real, or I would say, the original kind of biryani.
बाकी सगळे थोडेसे modifications.
Modifications or something like that, or the combination.
But still, I mean, I have to say that every biryani that you have made has had its unique flavors.
Yeah, because the spices makes the difference. The use of spices makes the difference. The same spices are being used in a different form, gives you different taste, gives you different aroma altogether. So this is one of the richest biryani. This is one of the costliest biryani which we are going to make. So you will not find this biryani anywhere in this country, in any hotel or any restaurant or any place. So there is not even a single person apart from the great cook of the dynasty, and he is also very reluctant to share his recipe.
Absolutely. पण मग ह्याचा अर्थ
His name is Mr. Qureshi.
पण ह्याचा अर्थ असा आहे का की म्हणजे खानसामे जे असायचे रॉयल हे आपल्या आपल्या राजांसाठी स्पेसिफिक असे इनोव्हेशन त्यांच्या आवडीप्रमाणे करायचे असं काय होतं का?
I'll just explain about this. म्हणजे हे थोडंसं कसं आहे की त्या डायनेस्टीच्या नवाबाचं त्या डायनेस्टीच्या राजाची जी रिक्वायरमेंट होती त्या रिक्वायरमेंट नुसार या रेसिपी बनवल्या गेल्या. याच्यामध्ये ट्रेडिशन आणि त्या डायनेस्टीचे जे त्या राजाचे प्रेफरन्सेस लक्षात घेतले गेले.
ओके.
की बाबा त्याला काय आवडतं, मग कसं आवडतं, किंवा त्याच्या मेडिसिनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स काय आहे, ओके, की राजाची तब्येत कशी आहे, मग त्याला काय हवंय, त्याला काय लागणार आहे, या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा खूप जास्त विचार केला जायचा आणि त्या पद्धतीने त्या रेसिपीज क्रिएट केल्या जायच्या. यू कॅन सी almonds are toasted. You can see a light color.
Yes, and they smell also very nice.
Yeah, so you can feel the
aroma.
Almond oil.
Almond oil, exactly. I mean,
Okay, so I'll just take them out. This.
Okay.
We'll allow this almond to cool a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. By the time almond is getting cooled down, so what we are going to do is we are going to season the meat. So first thing first, we'll season with some salt.
सो आय एम जस्ट वंडरिंग, जनरली तुम्ही मॅरिनेशन मध्ये सांगता की मीठ थोडंसं जास्त असलं तरी म्हणजे इट बॅलन्सेस विथ द ऑनियन और द टोमॅटोज और प्रॉबली द अदर फ्लेवर्स.
Yeah.
इथे इथे कसं असणार आहे म्हणजे आता
इथे-
कांदा नाहीये हा
There is no
माझ्यासाठी खूप
tomato.
मोठी गोष्ट आहे.
There is no tomato.
या आय नो
No onion.
या
So there is no substance. What we call is the basic substance of the cooking or the basic substance of the meat cooking. I'm adding little bit of turmeric. Spoonful
Okay.
of turmeric.
हे हे ही रेसिपी पण व्हेजिटेरियन होऊ शकते का म्हणजे आय एम सॉरी फॉर द
Yeah, you
Very,
can
very,
make, you
uh,
can make it vegetarian, but the meat flavor is always missing.
आय मीन
So I'm
दॅट इज
adding-
ऑब्वियस बट दे डोंट वॉन्ट द मीट फ्लेवर राईट आय एम
adding
आस्किंग
1 spoon of red chili powder, which is a spicier one. Okay.
ओके
And with that, I'm going to add red chili powder, a Kashmiri powder, which is going to give us nice color.
ओके
Okay. So this biryani won't be kind of spicy.
ओके
This will be kind of rich biryani with the flavor of saffron, with the flavor of cardamom and stuff like
मग
that.
ह्याच्यात दही किंवा
Yes, there
हे
will be
लागतं
a
का
curd. There will be.
ओके ओके सो अटलिस्ट तेवढं टोमॅटो नाही तर कर्ड आणि साय आय एम शुअर साय विल ऑल्सो बी
Yes, I
यूज
have
राईट
already mentioned the cream.
क्रीम येस येस
So the
येस
cream will give the richness. We have got both. We have got
Okay.
curd, we have got cream.
येस
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some curd.
ओके
Okay.
नाही म्हणजे आलं लसूण नाही आणि कांदा नाही हा म्हणजे एक वेगळंच आश्चर्यचकित करणारी गोष्ट आहे मग उग्रपणा कशाने जाणार
हेच तर काम करायचं. To this
म्हणजे-
I'm adding some cream. So around 2 spoon of cream, 2 spoon of curd.
ओके
Okay. Some more curd we are going to use, but we are going to use that curd while making the first cooking base.
ओके ओके
So this is
ओके
the kachi biryani what we are making today,
ओके
and this kachi biryani will be made with the raw chicken, with the way we make the Hyderabadi biryani.
ओके
Right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mix this.
ओके
So I'm just mixing basic marination. This is the basic marination.
ओके एनी क्वेश्चन्स प्लीज पॉप इन बऱ्यापैकी लोकांनी आता जॉईन केलेलं आहे So I think lockdown has made you also experiment or help us experiment with different flavors. पण अशा वेगळ्या वेगळ्या unknown recipes सांगून it really makes us excited. I'm sure lockdown मध्ये खूप लोकांचं motivation is getting affected, but नवीन recipe, doing something which we don't know or probably cracking it together, I'm sure it's a ray of light for the one who is making it as well as the one who are relishing it.
Absolutely, this is something which is very unique. So let's quickly make some spice powder.
Spice powder, okay?
Okay, for biryani.
Okay. So,
This spice powder will have cardamom.
okay.
Okay, very little mace
Mm-hmm.
because we are going to use mace in a different form.
Yes.
So I'm adding little bit of cloves.
हे जरा प्रमाण सांगू शकाल का शेफ
Yeah,
म्हणजे काय?
see, I'm adding around 6 to 7 cardamom,
Okay.
4 cloves, 4 to 5
Okay.
cloves, little small piece of say this thing mace. Apart from that, small piece of I'm using.
So all those who are making with us, I hope you have checked
I'm adding small piece of
Nutmeg.
nutmeg.
Hmm.
Okay, that will.
वर्षा त्याने मेज आणि ग्रीन कार्डमम सोक केलेलं आहे पाण्यात किती वेळ झालाय यश सोक करून
एक 10 मिनिटं.
10 ते 15 मिनिटं सोक केलेले आहे ओके सो आय थिंक इज गोन मेक अ पेस्ट आउट ऑफ दॅट अँड दिस ड्राय होल spices will
Yeah,
now
dry
get
spice
powdered.
mix. So to this, I'm adding little bit of dalchini,
Okay,
very little.
very little. So all those who are making with us, I'm just going through the masala
Still lot of
because
marination to happen.
अच्छा म्हणजे इकडे वेगळ्या वेगळ्या वेळेला वेगळे वेगळे लेयर्स ऑफ मॅरिनेशन येणार आहेत
So
का
lot of things are going to come. So wait for it. Go slowly, understand it, try to understand everything. So now again I'm just repeating. We have got cardamom, we have got clove, we have got nutmeg, we have got cinnamon, and we have got mace. So
ओके
I'm just gonna kind of powder it. you will find that okay, powder is not getting completely pureed or the fine powder. To make it more finer, I'm going to add little bit of almonds,
Okay.
okay, which will allow this mixture to grind it more
That
finer.
nutmegs. Okay. So
Like
मैं
you can
basically substance दिल्यामुळे
Yeah.
तो
See, because of
properly.
substance, you can see now this powder is quite done and ready,
Yeah.
right? It's
Yes.
quite simpler.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'll just run through it
Once again, yeah. थोडीशी कोर्स वाटली म्हणून.
Okay,
Okay.
and just add this powder to biryani. Straight away, I'm adding this powder to biryani.
So your dear friend Amay Randive is saying this biryani can be named as giant chicken biryani because you're not using onion and
Yeah, you can say so. You can
rather
say so.
yeah.
I don't know that this is the kind of influence which may need to check. So now I'm adding all the almonds which we have toasted. Okay.
Yes.
And I'm making powder out of it.
Okay. Acha, so you added that powder to the. Okay.
Powder is ready.
Yes.
It's quite
Absolutely.
simple.
So you wanted एकदम दरदरीत की
A little bit finer,
fine, yeah.
but then still you have to get. See what happens is, you start making it too finer,
Huh.
then almond oil will start seeping out.
Okay.
Which we
Okay.
don't want to happen. See, you can smell this now. The aroma is very nutty and very toasted.
I'm
So
just.
I'll add this powder, this almond powder to biryani.
काहीतरी मस्त डेझर्ट मधल्या ह्याचा स्वीटनेसचा फ्लेवर येतो.
Flavor into it.
And that nutmeg from that earlier masala.
Yeah.
I mean,
So
wow.
now, what we are going to do is we are going to grind the paste.
Of this soaked this thing also.
Yeah.
Okay. म्हणजे आता किती लेअर म्हणजे बेसिकली लॉट मेनी फ्लेवर्स आर कमिंग इन टुगेदर.
This is something which is very unique way of using it.
Okay.
And you can see its powder is seeping up. To make it more proper powder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of cream.
Okay. So you have.
If you have any question in between, you can pop up anytime.
Yes, I mean. Vatsala Shah, she just said she has joined in. She is just asking you, will you ever be making a veg biryani anytime soon? Like,
Yes, why not? One fine Sunday we'll make veg biryani.
I think a Sunday which is Sankashti or
Yeah.
something of that sort. I'm so sorry, Vatsala ma'am. Actually, for us, Sunday is about meat. So, let's do one thing. We will try to do it on a Thursday or so. Is that possible? Thursday or a Saturday or something of
One
that
fine
sort?
day we'll definitely make it. So now you can see we have pureed cardamom and
Wow.
the maize.
Wow.
So we have puree now.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll be making.
सो बेसिकली तुम्ही जेव्हा ते मेज आणि कार्डमम घेतलं तेव्हा थोडंसं त्यातलं पाणी टाकलेलं
Yeah.
आणि फिरवलं.
Water is very important because that
ओके.
water has got.
मग आता हे उरलेलं पाणी पण वापरणार आहात?
Ah, we'll use that. We'll
ओके.
use that.
आणि सिन्स आपल्याला ती छान पेस्ट पाहिजे होती म्हणून तुम्ही त्याच्यात थोडंसं क्रीम टाकलं.
Cream टाकलं.
ओके ओके
Okay. So now come back to the marination.
ओके.
Okay. You all have seen now we have done the basic marination with the salt, turmeric, red chili powder, the spice mix what we made, and the bhune hue badam ka burada. To this now I'm going to add ghee.
ओके.
Okay, we are going to add around 3 to 4 spoons of ghee. So this will be a basic fat layering.
वाव. आय कॅन फील दॅट
Yeah.
शाहीनेस.
See this fat or this ghee will maintain that moisture level and keep chicken like a malai.
Okay.
Okay.
For all those who are cooking with you, you have started the gas here.
Yeah,
So
I've just started
त्याच्याबद्दल-
for the water to boil.
Okay. So
for the
all those who are
rice.
cooking with us, तुम्ही ज्याच्यामध्ये भात करणार आहात, राईस करणार आहात, त्याचा गॅस तुम्ही चालू करू
Yeah.
शकता.
Now, if those who are doing it very regularly, they know
Yeah.
when to start.
Yeah, I
Now
know,
to
but then-
to this, I'm going to add saffron. A
आज
good
सॅफरन
quantity.
मध्ये पण तुमचा हात जरा सडळ आहे शेफ.
Good quantity of saffron because saffron is a very prominent spice in this biryani.
मग ह्याच्यातल्या कुठल्या फ्लेवरने, माझा परत प्रश्न तोच आहे, कुठले फ्लेवर्स आहेत ज्याच्याने उग्रपणा मारला जाणार?
See, उग्रपणा मारण्यासाठी याच्यामध्ये दही आहे.
ओके.
आणि now you will see this marination will be kind of thicker and will be kind of holding the meat.
या.
properly. So this toastiness or the nuttiness of the almond will help this chicken to get a nice body. Okay, this marination to get very nice body and very. See, now you will be starts feeling that aroma of spices along with that toastiness of the almonds.
So Disha Karkal is asking which mixer are you using, because she's never seen that never seen such good dry grinding. So it's a normal,
normal mixer.
home mixer.
Yeah, normal
It's a Ronald, a very old branded
It's all
mixer.
about how you grind.
ओके. त्याच्यामध्ये पण काही टिप्स आहेत का शेफ?
Always give the some substance because see what happens is that the less quantity spices जेव्हा spices कमी असतात अशा वेळेला plates जे आहेत त्या plates air
वरती
pocket
फिरतात.
तयार करतात आणि त्या एअर पॉकेट मुळे मसाले फक्त फिरत राहतात.
ओके.
मग अशा वेळेला आपल्याला ग्राइंडिंग सबस्टन्स द्यायचा.
Okay.
सो जनरली जे मसाल्याच्या पावडर आपण युज करणार आहोत त्याच्यामध्ये त्या जर समजा तिखट असेल किंवा मीठ असेल फॉर दॅट रिझन अशा काही गोष्टी जर त्याच्यामध्ये टाकल्या तर ग्राइंडिंग सोपं होतं
Okay.
आणि पावडर इझिली तयार होते.
ओके. ओके.
Okay, so the marination is ready now. We'll just check for the salt.
ओके. सो आता तुम्ही
Now,
सॉल्ट
I
साठी
want-
चेक केलं.
Yeah.
मला विचारायचं आहे, व्हॉट इज युअर रिॲक्शन?
I want you to check this marination and tell me where you find the lacking of onion or
नाही, मला I like the flavor. I think the almond has brought खूप वेगळाच आणि छान हे फ्लेवर येतोय. आणि आय एम जस्ट व्हेरी व्हेरी कीन टू सी की जेव्हा ते कुक होईल तेव्हा ते अजून किती वेगळं टेस्ट रिलीज करणार आहे. कारण छान वाटला. म्हणजे जे मला प्रश्न होता की कांदा नाही, आलं लसूण नाही, पण मग आलं नाही, लसूण नाही, काही आलं लसणाला काही पर्याय म्हणजे असं सुंठ टाईप काही वापरता येते का?
see this is the beauty of it. Why see when somebody has designed this recipe after so much of research and so much of groundwork,
Why should we screw it
why
up?
should we screw it? And why not? I mean, why not to make a recipe or why not to make a recipe which doesn't have a ginger garlic or the onion? It's perfectly fine. You have to keep experimenting. So we'll just make a basic salad.
पेस्ट टाकली नाही ना अजून? कुठली पेस्ट?
कुठची पेस्ट?
दर्शना?
नाही
हा नाही, अजून नाही
स्पाइस
टाकली.
पेस्ट वेगळी ठेवली
नाही,
आहे
नाही.
ती आपण वेगळी कुक करणार होतो.
Okay.
So here there is another twist. Okay, we'll be adding this raw chicken masala or the raw chicken marination to the handi. Okay,
ओके.
which will be cooked in the basic salan.
सालन. ओके.
Okay, so we'll make now a third salan. Okay, which will be a kind of a base for this biryani. So this is again one more twist, one more addition to the step. Generally, what happens is whenever we cook any kachi gosht ki biryani, we straight away put this marinated meat in the pot and then we add the rice and we cook it. Here, scenario is different. In terms of cutting up the harshness of the meat, we have to make the basic salan. And the
Okay.
basic salan will be, again, it will be a curd based salan, which will be created in ghee.
ओके.
Okay.
ठीक आहे.
So we'll be using 2 spoons of ghee. To this, we'll be adding little bit of oil.
ओके.
So I'm adding around 2 spoons of oil.
ओके.
Okay. So this is the kind of a basic salan we are going to make. Now the beauty of this biryani is this biryani will not have any whole spices.
Whole spices. Okay.
Whatever spice we are using in form of powder or in form of paste.
Mm-hmm.
So the richness or the spiciness will remain always under the meat or always under the masala. It will never pop up in terms of whole spice. It will never pop up in your mouth.
Then why are you taking the spice dabba?
I'm
Acha, hey,
taking
for
the spice dabba just to add little bit of black pepper
to the rice.
to rice, little bit of
हे
green
काढणार
cardamom.
नंतर.
Yeah, we'll just take them out. So
हे 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 पण माझ्यासाठी एक खूp नवल गणित आहे हा. म्हणजे तुम्हाला त्याचे फ्लेवर्स पाहिजेत पण ते नकोत.
yes. This is called buki garlic.
काय?
This is called buki garlic.
बुके गार्लिक.
Garlic. So this term.
Okay, I wasn't even able to pronounce. Can you please?
So this term is originated from the west. Okay. So the basically spices are tied up in a pot, in a potli or in a what I would say, kind of a muslin cloth.
Okay.
And thrown away in the gravy or in a salan or in a kind of any kind of basic liquid to extract flavors. So this I am adding salt now.
Now I can give the further instructions. समुद्राचं पाणी जसं असतं ना तसं तितकं खारट तुम्ही करू शकता. आता मला माहिती नाही, मी समुद्रात पोहले, पण अजून किती लोकांनी समुद्राचं पाणी टेस्ट करून बघितलेलं आहे. बट दिस इज शेफ यशोधन्स फेवरेट डायलॉग. समुद्राचं पाणी जसं खारट असतं तसं तुम्ही खारट बनवू शकता.
समुद्राचं पाणी सगळ्यांनी टेस्ट केलेलं आहे. So now what you are going to do? Okay, you are going to first fry the spices.
ओके, म्हणजे ही जे क्रीम केलं तुम्ही घालून पेस्ट केली आहे स्पाइसची, ती तुम्ही पहिले त्या तुपा तेलामध्ये.
Wow. This mixture is hot. So this.
म्हणजे ह्या शेफनी, ह्या जे हेड शेफ आहेत, ह्यांनी किती विचार करून ही रेसिपी केली आहे हे मी विचार करते. I mean, I'm
Believe
just.
me, to crack this recipe, it has
How
taken me more than 6 months.
I know, I am witnessed the expressions on your mind and your face.
I have been reading this recipe for so long now. I have been reading about this recipe, reading about this history, searching out for the text, searching out for the videos, for the photos.
So you are adding
add curd.
Curd.
Okay. I'm just adding a bit of curd, not much of it.
Okay.
2 spoons of curd.
ओके. सो आता कर्ड आणि आपण हे जे क्रीम वाला हे टाकलं तर काही प्रिकॉशन असतं का हे कुक करताना? कर्ड आणि
always cook your curd on a higher flame. You have to cook it on a slower flame.
ओके.
Otherwise, curd will get separate. We want curd to get cooked.
ओके.
The salan to be made.
ओके.
You can smell the aroma of the jaivatri and
या
the ilachi.
जायवत्री एस्पेशली. इलायची तर आहेच, पण जायवत्रीचा सुगंध असा प्रॉपर येतोय.
Now to this, you're going to add some spices.
ओके. परत ह्याला पण स्पायसेस. ओके. म्हणजे चिकनला, अच्छा ही डिश चिकनचीच होती की मटनची होती?
Ideally, you can make it with mutton.
Okay.
I'm adding a little bit of
टर्मरिक.
turmeric and a little bit of chili powder.
ओके.
Okay. To get more color,
ओके.
you're going to add a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder.
Okay. I'm just keeping the spice dabba here because it was a little. Okay. जे लोक आमच्याबरोबर करतायत, आय होप तुमच्या बिर्याणीचं पाणी चांगलं उकळतंय.
Okay, to this I'm going to add a little bit of salt.
सॉल्ट. ओके. पण मग हे असं शिजवून घेण्याचं काय कारण असेल?
So
म्हणजे
this is the basic salan.
ओके.
So what we are doing is, this is basically the way we make bread.
हां.
Okay, for bread, what we do is we create starter, or we make basic marination and we create starter out of it. The same way in biryani, what they have done is they have done the aggregator. Since here there is nothing called a ginger garlic or the onion, which can create a base of the gravy. To create base of the gravy, what they did is they fried the curd along with some spices. Okay, to make the salan.
ओके.
So the salan will give the nice base. So
ओके.
what I'm doing here is I'm just cooking some turmeric and the red chili powder
Mm-hmm.
along with the ghee and oil. You can see now curd is getting cooked.
Yes. Okay.
And this fragrance is completely elsewhere.
I know. I mean, हा साधारण आपल्याला सवय नाही आहे ह्या अरोमाची. रादर जायवत्री आणि म्हणजे हिरवी वेलची आपण कधी भिजवून वापरली आहे कशात हे मला म्हणजे नाही हे होत आहे.
Now
Register
what I'm
nahi
going to do
hote.
here is, after 10 minutes of the marination, we are going to drizzle kevda water on the marination.
Okay.
Okay, remember this, we are not going to mix this.
Okay. You should not mix it. Okay.
I'm just kind of drizzling it.
Drizzling it.
Yeah, the rose water and the kevda water.
ओके वर्षा, इट वॉज कर्ड अँड क्रीम बोथ. थोडंसं हां, म्हणजे तुपावर तेलावरती त्यांनी पहिले क्रीम टाकलं आणि मग कर्ड टाकून ती पेस्ट नाही क्रीम नाही टाकलं. एक मिनटं, यू पुट द पेस्ट राईट. द वर्षा दिगे इज आस्किंग यू व्हॉट डिड यू पुट ऑन दॅट दिस थिंग.
I am switching off the flame.
ओके, एक मिनटं वर्षा, आय विल आन्सर युअर क्वेश्चन. आपण जी पेस्ट केलेली या.
See, basically what we have done is, we have heated some ghee and oil together.
येस.
To that, we have added the paste which we made with the
Jaivatri and-
soaked jaivatri and the cardamom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we made that paste along with some cream to get the best flavor out of it. We have toasted, we have fried that paste in this oil and ghee mixture.
Mm-hmm.
To that, we have added little bit of curd, which is
Mhm.
around 2 spoons of curd,
Mm-hmm.
to create the base of this biryani.
Okay.
Now you can see the base is ready.
Mm-hmm.
The curd is already cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can see oil has separated.
Yes.
I'm using this as a base. I've switched off the flame.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you did all that on high flame
Yeah,
first.
I did it on high flame.
Hmm.
Now what we have done is we have added a little bit of kevda and the gulab jal to the biryani. You can see this is kevda and the gulab jal, which is
पण
on
मग
the
मिक्स
top.
का नाही करायचं?
No, which is on the top. See, these are aromats.
Hmm.
Okay. So when they will get cooked, when chicken will start losing its moisture, we don't want this kevda and gulab jal to come in direct contact with the meat.
ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला त्याचा अरोमा
We are
फ्लेवर
keeping it-
पाहिजे.
Yeah, we are keeping this for the aromatic spices.
ओके
So
ओके
we want that steam to be created out of kevda and gulab jal, which will infuse in the rice.
ओके.
Okay.
बट वी
that's
डोंट
why-
वॉन्ट इट टू सीप इन टू द मीट.
Yes. Okay. Now we have started understanding things.
या आय नो. इतकं कॅमेरावरती राहून ॲटलिस्ट जेवण बनवायला नाही लागलं तरी.
So now what I'm doing here is I'm just taking out this whole spices.
सो नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिशनल स्टेप ऑफ शेफ यशोधन. समुद्रामधून आता आपण ह्या स्पायसेसच्या ओके,
So there won't be any hard spice.
म्हणजे दाताखाली नाही आले पाहिजे बेसिकली. म्हणजे
It
तुम्हाला
should be a
फ्लेवर.
super smooth kind of biryani.
ओके, ते एक मला वाटतं आहे तर ते चालेल
That's
ना.
fine.
ओके, एनी क्वेश्चन्स प्लीज पॉप इन. मी पण तेच टाईप करणार होते. प्लीज यूज हेडफोन्स.
हा? आवाज कमी येतोय?
आवाज कमी येतोय का सर? हेडफोन वापरा ना, म्हणजे नीट आवाज ऐकू येईल
अरे, आवाज
असं
कमी
निखिल
येतोय?
मथुरे असं म्हणतायत. अतिशय सुंदर डिटेल सांगताय आपण, पण ऐकायला येत नाही आहे काय?
Sorry.
हा,
हेडफोनचा आवाज येतो काय जास्त? I don't think so.
ऍक्च्युली आम्ही नोटीस केलं की हेडफोन वापरल्यानंतर पण आवाज हा फोन मधूनच येतोय. सो दिस टाइम ही हॅज नॉट यूज हेडफोन, बट सिन्स मथुरे सर हॅज सजेस्टेड सो ही हॅज गॉन अँड
Let me just check.
तत्परतेने लगेच त्यांनी हेडफोन घेतलेले आहेत. आणि तसंही प्रत्येक बायकोची कंप्लेंट असते की नवरा खूप हळू बोलतो.
तर आता आवाज येतोय होपफुली.
तर शेफ तुम्ही जरा मोठ्याने बोललात तर सगळ्यांनाच आवडेल.
ओके, नक्की. आता आवाज येतोय व्यवस्थित?
आता कोणीतरी लिहून प्लीज पाठवा आवाज येतोय की नाही. अच्छा,
Okay, so to this, we are going to add rice now.
अजूनही कमी येतोय आवाज. निखिल सर, नेहा कॅन यू प्लीज राईट इफ आवाज येतोय का. ओके, नाव शेफ हॅज ॲडेड राईस टू द बिर्याणी बॉइल्ड वॉटर.
What chef has added biryani to the rice?
शेफ हॅज ॲडेड बिर्याणी टू द वॉटर.
No biryani. It's
आपलं राईस टू द वॉटर, नॉट मी बिर्याणी बोले आय एम सो सॉरी. होतं असं, भूक लागली की असं होतं. प्लीज, आय थिंक यू शुड रिअली फोकस ऑन द रेसिपी शेफ. आय एम हिअर ॲज अन एंटरटेनमेंट पॅकेज
yeah.
to make sure I will ask you right questions that your fans are asking you.
So I'm going to transfer this
आता
marinated.
येतोय. धन्यवाद सर.
I'm going to add this marinated meat to this pot.
बाजूला उभा आहे तसा येतोय आवाज. ओके, परफेक्ट. आता म्हणजे आपण कच्चे गोष्टला जसं करतो तसं गॅस बंद करून
Yeah.
ते कर्ड आणि ते जायवत्री आणि ह्याचा ग्रीन कार्डममचं जी पेस्ट आहे ती छान झाल्यावर तुम्ही हे टाकलेलं आहे.
I'm just going to arrange this.
ओके ओके. सो वाईल यू क्रॅक दिस, तरी तुम्हाला असं काय वाटतं का कुठेही काही इन्ग्रेडियंट्स असे असू शकतील जे प्रॉबब्ली मेन्शन नाही केले आहेत किंवा वाचनावरून तुम्हाला काही असं?
There might be chances of missing out one or two ingredients.
ओके
Okay, but the core theme, I have understood the core theme.
ओके ओके.
See, ultimately, this all cooking, the mother of all this cooking is there in Awadh,
अवध. ओके
right? So these all are derivatives. These all are perfections, or these are the art fact which has been created by the different artists.
ओके
Okay. So we have to just try and see to it that how closer we can go to that,
ओके ओके.
and how best we can just.
No, you have very, as you
you have
rightly
to-
said, let's try doing it, cracking it together.
Ultimately, cooking is nothing but understanding the facts, understanding the recipe, understanding the science behind it, and understanding the steps and the art behind it. Then
True,
only
true.
you'll be able to do it. Now, I'll just
Absolutely,
show you-
म्हणजे आपण कधीच
See
असं केलं
See,
नसतं.
you'll see, if you see it, you feel it कि ये कच्चा भी है और थोड़ा सा पका हुआ भी है.
ऍक्च्युली हे
That's how
काम
you look at it because of that.
सालन खालूनचं हीट.
Yeah, the basic salan, you could see the little bit of oil which has been already the cooked oil. So
Has-
there will not be any raw fat in this biryani.
ऍक्च्युली म्हणजे आय कॅन शो यू दिस पीस विच रिअली.
Now I tell you why it is and how it is.
Okay.
The basic fat which we use, that is to create the gravy.
ओके
Okay. But the fat which is there, which is at the room temperature, what we introduce as in terms of ghee.
घी.
जे घी टाकलेलं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, that ghee will help to keep moist that chicken.
ओके
So
ओके.
chicken will be kind of very moist, chicken will be kind of very juicy, and this chicken will melt in your mouth.
येस, नीलन राजे गॅस बंदच आहे.
गॅस बंद आहे, अजूनही गॅस बंद आहे. So I'm just still in the process of.
मग आज तुम्ही किती % झालेला भात तसाच 50%
याच्यामध्ये
80%
आपण
असं?
अराउंड 70% cooked rice टाकणार आहोत.
ओके.
We'll be using rice which is around 70% cooked.
हे हा अंदाज पण 50% 70% हा कशामुळे? म्हणजे आता इथे तर आपण कांदा पण नाही यूज केलाय, आलं लसूण नाहीये, तर काही तुमच्या कुकिंग प्रोसेसमध्ये किंवा टायमिंग मध्ये काय फरक पडणार आहे का?
आलं लसणाचं आणि याचा काही फार फरक पडेल अशातला काही भाग नाहीये.
ओके
फक्त फरक याच गोष्टीचा पडेल की आता सिन्स चिकन इज रॉ, वी हॅव टू यूज राईस which is around 70% done.
ओके
Because see, here what will happen is, if you have not understood the science, I'll just explain you in a bit. We have already used the 3 meat tenderizers.
ओके.
Okay, we have used Zaifar,
येस
Zaivatri,
येस.
and curd.
कर्ड. ओके
So these are 3 meat tenderizers are there,
ओके
which will allow this meat to tenderize, cook very fast. So
ओके
the biryani will be cooking around 30-35 minutes should be done.
ओके.
Nothing much to be done. So for that reason, the rice has to be in such a way that
कि
it
तो-
should match that timing.
टायमिंग. ओके परफेक्ट.
So
ओके.
that's how we do it.
these small inputs really make a difference शेफ. म्हणजे कदाचित तुम्हाला हे खूप सिम्पल प्रश्न वाटतील, पण 50% एका बिर्याणीला तुम्ही 50% राईस टाकायचं म्हणता पहिली लेअर, आणि दुसऱ्या बिर्याणीला 70% का? हा एक जेन्युइन प्रश्न वाटतो. म्हणून
Every biryani will be at a different level of cooking, different level of flavors. So you will have different techniques, you will have different flavors.
ओके ओके ओके.
So that's how we deal with it.
So any questions till chef is actually waiting for the rice to be done. तर ते जराशे मोकळे आहेत आणि रेस्टलेस दिसतात मला. तर तुम्ही
रेस्टलेस असण्यापेक्षा
काहीतरी शोधताय. You want that strainer.
that
Yeah.
larger strainer, if we can-
So if you can take the camera, I will surely help you with that.
just find out.
Yeah.
I'll just keep it. आता येतोय क्लिअर. ओके. गॅस बंदच ठेवायचा आहे. येस, अजून गॅस बंदच ठेवायचा आहे. ओ, Meghna is there. Meghna, you can do that. You can make this biryani in Japan. Japanese will like it because it doesn't have onion, it doesn't have ginger garlic. And I hope you will get all the ingredients. So we have a lot of people who have joined in. The rice is just about to get boiled. If you have any question, bring him in.
Yes, getting the.
काही प्रश्न असतील तर फील फ्री. See, now you can see color of the marination is completely different and thickness, जो basic thickness है. पेस्ट टाकली का नाही? अगं पेस्ट कधीच टाकली दर्शना.
कुठली पेस्ट? अगं पेस्ट तर शिजवली ना.
सालन मध्ये पेस्ट शिजवलेली आहे. जे सालन आपण पहिले बेसिक सालन बनवलं त्याच्यामध्ये आपण जी पेस्ट बनवलेली होती मसाल्याची, वेलची आणि जायवत्रीची, ती पेस्ट आपण त्याच्यात टाकलेली आहे ऑलरेडी. Yeah, Darshana has already got the amazing aroma.
Yes, okay.
You can see.
Can you please tell us the menu?
Yeah. See, you can see now. Rice is around. You can see now. It's almost 70% done.
Okay.
Okay. This is how you check.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drain all of the rice.
Okay.
Ideally, what we do is we add in layers. But here.
Okay. You want me to keep it inside? Okay.
I'm going to drain all the rice.
Okay. So while the rice has been drained, I would also like to ask, why is it that this time you are going to add all the rice together?
That is because it's kache goshti biryani.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll have enough steam and enough moisture.
Okay.
So I'm going to add all the rice in one go.
Okay. हा तांदूळ पण आपण घेणार का?
Yes, you know.
Okay. ठीक आहे. ओके. सो बेसिकली जर मुळात तयारी केली तर आपली बिर्याणी एक तासाभरात सव्वा तासात आरामात होऊ शकते.
Less than an hour.
सो आय वॉज अगेन आस्किंग यू की ही मटण बरोबर करायची आहे तर काही स्पेसिफिक अजून काही चेंजेस आहेत की हीच प्रोसिजर आहे?
Same procedure.
Same procedure.
Same procedure. Cooking time will be little extra.
This time you will be straining the water from rice. Last time we dried the water in the rice. Why? Okay.
That is a different way of cooking. That's the Rampur way of making rice.
Rampur way of making
So
rice.
here,
Okay.
I'm going to add little bit of ghee on top. See, now the beauty of this biryani is this biryani again will not have any aromas like coriander, pudina. There is no onion. There is nothing. Okay. To this, I'm going to add little bit of food coloring just to get nice color.
Okay. So this is very rare of you.
Yeah, this is very rare of me. And
Because he doesn't-
saffron, this thing. Now we'll
So this is saffron, right? This is
Yeah.
not a artificial.
this is little bit of artificial color dissolved with the saffron.
So we'll not
Nice
give
aroma.
this. We'll not give this to Arya.
No, it's okay. In such a minute quantity.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
So now what I'm going to do here is,
cover the.
yes, you can see now, we are ready.
हो आणि वाफ ही.
Yeah. See the rice, again I'm just showing you. See, you can see this is what is called the 65 or 70% of
एकच
doneness
मिनिट
of
ते
rice.
हां yes.
You can see this is how you check the 70% doneness of rice.
Okay.
When you break the rice, right, it's generally breaks that kind of length.
Yes.
Now
Okay.
I'll just kind of
Dum it.
put the lid on. I'll just keep some weight on top.
या साईडला आहे. हे घ्या. Okay.
So I got this block.
Okay. So we're almost done.
Yeah, the huge metal block.
So Miss Malini is saying hello sir. तुमची frequent बिर्याणी तुम्ही frequently बिर्याणी सांगता. Nice it is. But आम्ही rice कमी खातो. So please तुमचे videos everywhere टाका. Okay. So it has already been answered by Avantika and Nikhil that all the videos are being uploaded on the YouTube channel Chef Yashodhan Deshmukh. So please check, subscribe
It's available
our
it's
channel.
available on YouTube. It's available everywhere. You can just find these videos anytime, and you can cook it at comfort of your home at any given point of time. Okay, I'm just trying to make this video in such a way where every step should be explained in a detail. We may take little extra time. See, we all aware that okay, we have a lot of recipes available on the internet, lot of recipes available on the YouTube, but all recipes are generally in 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, or 3 minutes kind of recipe, which doesn't give you the insight of the recipe. And when you're actually deciding to cook any recipe, if you have all the insights, if you understand all the basic, if you understand the recipe to the core, the science behind the recipe, the art behind the recipe, it would be really easy for you to cook it the exact way. For example, a lot of you have cooked the biryanis in last a couple of months, and now a lot of people have commented and a lot of people have told me that now their rice is coming to a perfection. Now their rice doesn't become soggy. Now their rice doesn't break up in the biryani.
Okay.
So this is the kind of achievement I would say in terms of cooking.
Okay. Question, chef. ही कच्ची गोष्टी बिर्याणी बनवताना पहिले गॅस मोठाच ठेवायचा का?
येस, पहिले गॅस मोठा ठेवायचा. त्याचं कारण असं आहे बेसिक की आपल्याला स्टीम क्रिएट करायची असते. ओके, सो दॅट स्टीम विल कीप रोटेटिंग.
Okay, Mayura is saying खूप छान, love the detailing and of course the commentary. I can feel that aroma going. Good going.
Yeah, it's kind of, see, that's how that experience has to be shared. If you're watching, you should get that experience, because that experience will take you a different level, and this experience will help you to understand the recipe and replicate it.
Okay.
And cook it at the comfort of your home.
Okay. Neelam Rajesh is saying, can you just show us some Chinese starters, chicken starters?
Yes,
Shalaka Mathur is saying she tried the yakhni biryani and really loved it. Thank you, म्हणून म्हणताय.
Great. Chalo. See, that's how it is. A lot of people have tried it, and a lot of people are finding it so easy to make now. Because every step you need someone to tell you that okay, if this goes wrong, what needs to be done? If this happens, what needs to be done? And if you understand the basic, once you understand the basic of the this cooking, then you can replicate and you can create recipes which should be derivated from your own identity and which should be from your own creativity.
Absolutely. I mean,
Okay. So making new recipes also, or constructing new recipes also quite possible for someone who is not so familiar in the kitchen.
yes.
But they just need to understand the basic.
Yes,
You have
absolutely.
to play with the spices. You have to understand the spices. So now it's been almost like 4 or 5 minutes. The steam has been created. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put it on a slow flame.
Okay.
Okay, you can see now the flame is slow.
Yes.
Okay. And we are just going to keep this like good 30 minutes. So 30-35 minutes should be good for the biryani.
Yes. Yes.
Now it's around 12:55. We'll open our biryani somewhere around 1:30 or 1:25. Roughly 30 minutes should be
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So Meghna is saying, Yashodhan, could you please guide the Thai red curry, green curry sauce? Actually, Meghna,
Why not? Why not?
we are having a issue with
Now
getting.
things are opened up, so we can definitely try and make Thai
Yeah, I
curry.
mean, there are a lot of people who are saying prawn Thai curry
Yeah,
and
yeah. So next Sunday, I think we can keep some Thai and Chinese together, or some kind of combination of making curries, and how to even use the ready-made paste of the curries, how to even make easy Thai curry of how you can make it with the ready-made paste. That is the one way of doing it, or you may create your own paste, or that way we can do it own way. If you have any
but then
requests,
again, we are not getting a lot of stuff, chef.
so we'll find out, not an issue. But if you have any more requests, if you have any more queries, please call in. If you don't have any query, go back and cook your biryani. And if you have any questions, please run through it.
Okay, so Anuja Nevagi is saying that she tried Zafrabadi biryani yesterday. Zafar Bhai biryani.
Biryani,
Zafar Bhai. Okay. Zafar Bhai biryani, and it was mind blowing. Thanks for the recipe, she's saying.
Great. So this is the kind of appreciation what you are giving us, which is giving us nice boost to create more of.
She's commenting with saying Zafar Bhai has offered me a job at his restaurant.
Great to know that. Don't tell Zafar Bhai that I have told you the recipe. That's a trade secret, okay, which I have revealed. But then it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Because see, I have a kind of opinion where all this culinary tradition have to be diversified, have to be given to the next generation, and have to be given to the people to cherish. Because ultimately, if something we have created or somebody has created, it has to be. It is created out of the passion and out of the love, and it has to be given to all. It has to be shared with all, so everybody can make it. Okay. See, it's not that every day by giving a recipe that people will stop eating in the restaurant or people will stop eating outside. No, it's not going to happen. People will go out, people will eat, people will new product, new restaurants. It's going to be there and it's going to be happening. But at the same time, at their comfort of their home, comfort of their space, if they can feel a sense of achievement by creating such recipes at home, it would be a kind of a pride moment for all of you.
Absolutely, absolutely. I double it. I can really,
See, now
sense
see
it.
How you need to check the steam. When I touch the lid, if it's not possible to keep my hand there for more than 2 seconds, that means steam is created.
Okay. Please show mutton biryani also, chef.
Yeah.
And
Definitely.
a lot of people are looking forward to Thai curry.
Yeah.
So
If you have
I
any
think-
question, you can just post it. As
yeah,
a
I
video.
think you can post it on the chat also, and we
Yeah.
will take it up. So you're going to
Okay.
answer, or is okay? We can end the
We can
video
end our Facebook Live and we can answer the questions
offline also.
Offline
So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed today's very unique biryani, which I was wondering kai hona hai.
Mahmoodabadi Kache Gosht ki biryani. Remember this, the name, okay? Remember the tradition. Remember the diversification of the recipe. Remember the authenticity. Remember the completely U-turn in the biryani recipe. Completely a different flavor, completely a different aspect. Believe me, those who are making, if you get it right, you will be tasting makhan malai.
Kya baat.
You will be not eating kind of a normal biryani. It won't be kind of causing you the indigestion, causing you gases, giving you fullness. No, this biryani will give you kind of effect of sedative.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to post my reviews also. Thank you so much, chef.
Thank
so
you.
we're closing for now.
Yeah. Thank you.
And please like, subscribe our channel. All these videos will be on YouTube. Also, it is going to be we have a lot of people are having watch parties. Do share with your friends and family so more and more people can enjoy. Thank you so much.